Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson with me. Today, we are going to simplify this equation. Okay, let's take a look. And wait a minute, I'm going to change the color. It is 2 minus 3 a2 b2 minus 4 b2 minus a2 plus 5 a2 b2 minus 10 b2. So let's take a look. 2 is multiple of this part. So we are going to write it. And minus a2 plus 10b2, because this minus, going to multiple of this part. So minus and minus, the sign is plus. So right now, look at this. I'm going to change the color and then you can see a2 and a2 together, a2b2 and a2b2 together, and the other one, b2 and b2 together. So as you see here, for a2 minus a2, yes, the next one, minus 6, a2 b2 minus 5, a2 b2, and the last one is this, plus 10 b2. So as you see here, so 4a2 minus a2 is 3a2, minus 6a2b2 minus 5a2b2 is minus 11a2b2, and the last one is minus ab2 plus 10b2 is plus 2b2. So as you see here, this is the final answer. Wait a minute, I'm going to change the color. So this is the final answer. And as you see, 3a2 minus 11a2b2 on 2b2. As you see, this is C is the right answer. So thank you so much for watching me.